Guys and girls, welcome back. It's been so long. I know I haven't posted a video in like a year. I think it's been like a year. I took a little break and just I felt like I was just like making content to try to make content with like this really far end idea of what I wanted to do instead of like just trying to bring cool stuff. So I am trying some new things now, and part of that is going to be making videos again, but I'm not really sure where that's going to take me. I just wanted to make something that brought some value, whether that was like entertainment, encouragement, or just like basically just documenting some of the new things that I'm trying and some of the things that I've learned. So I'm going to get right into it real quick. I decided to start exploring some wholesale ideas. So this is my first wholesale package that I ordered. I ordered it a few days ago. I was looking at a few of them. It's not anything huge. I paid $35 in free shipping for this. And there's supposed to be 15 items in here. So they're supposed to be all or mostly new with tags. I think they're like returns from TJ Maxx, Nordstrom, stuff like that. So I decided what better time to make a video, and we will check this out together to see. I hope that this works out because my family and I recently moved out to the country, and it would be great to be able to get some inventory shipped straight to my house. You know, I'm trying to scale. I've kind of been at a little bit of a I've reached kind of like a plateau with my inventory, and I want a bigger store, but I don't really want to spend more time sourcing than what I'm doing right now. So anyways, here it is, the box. You can see it looks like everything was in a bag within the box, so that's cool. Hopefully it's all protected and good. So here is the first item. And I think that this was mainly like a women's wholesale lot. I couldn't find any men's in kind of the price range that I wanted to try. So this first one is a top. It's Laundry by Shelly Segal. And it looks like this was a Nordstrom rack. You know, originally like 40 bucks. They had it for 12. And I did the math. So if I got 15 items at 35 free shipping, you know, I paid what, a little over $2 an item. So that's cool because we're talking about like thrift store prices for brand new things. So I can't get like the best angle, and I almost knocked over my camera. Anyway, so here's the first top. It's Laundry by Shelly Segal. Next up we have Stateside, Made in the States. And this top normally says compares at $81. Nordstrom Rack had it at $28, clearanced at $15, and I paid $2 for it. I'll just give you like a little scroll, you know, so you can get an idea of what it is. I haven't opened this, I haven't researched it, so I'm sure some of the brands I'll be familiar. Some of them I think that I've heard of, but I've never bought or really researched myself. Like Stateside sounds familiar, but I've never bought or sold it, so we'll see. Next up, we have a like Henley style ribbed shirt by Hinge. I haven't heard of this either. It looks like compare at $49, 85% off, so this was $7.35. You know, so far I'm happy. Everything is clean and new with tags, and the retail price looks good, so you know, that's always, it doesn't always mean a whole lot. Next up we have Kenneth Cole, just like an embellished t-shirt, and this retailed for $34. Okay. Looks like Adidas Adizero. Kind of like an active women's tank top. Maybe you can see better back here. So that's pretty cool. What's the retail on this? $50. Wow, $50 for an Adidas tank top. It is nice though. Looks like more Kenneth Cole. This is kind of like a sleeveless, different cut. It's kind of an interesting cut. What does this retail? Wow. You can see $59.99 is what the tag on this was. Oh, this is fancy. This is Misguided. It's a dress by Misguided. Peace, Love, and Fashion. There's not a price tag on it. Looks like it's a size small. I know one thing. If I start selling more women's clothing, I'm gonna have to learn more like style dresses and style tops and stuff. It's more work, but I feel like I'm leaving so much money on the table with the amount of women's clothing that I've kind of skipped over up until this point. So it'll be a learning process, but I think it will be worth it. All right, here's our third piece by Kenneth Cole. Looks kind of like a sheer open back. See, I don't know how to describe this. I know that the manufacturer retail price is $88. Our price, $79. And it looked like it was Nordstrom Rack for $60. That's still crazy. And I paid $2, so I'm happy with that. All right, we got another tank top by the brand Charming Charlie. Just a plain navy blue and white, kind of like that ringer style tank. This had a price of $19, still has the tag. So far everything has had the tags on it. Another tank top by Ideology. It says workout. See, I'm terrible. All of these brands could be really popular or could be terrible, and I wouldn't know the difference at this point yet. But judging on the style, the feel of the fabric, and the price on the tag, so far I'm pretty happy with it, I would say. Maybe I'll do another video with like the updated research prices and projected profits. So this one is a Lane Bryant top. I am familiar with this brand, although I don't really know what's going on here. Okay. Kind of like a black, like gold sparkly. Looks like the retail price on this was $45. Now we got a little boho dress by Ella Moss. And the price on this was $99.97. I actually did buy a female dress form, like the kind of like the fabric standing mannequin at a garage sale earlier this year, and I haven't used it for anything or sold it, so now might be the time to dig that out of the basement and set that up. We have another Charming Charlie piece, and this is like a 3/4 sleeve denim dress. This has a price of $39 on it. All right, cool, I'm familiar with this. Obviously, we have a women's North Face Classic V Skort. That gray and black colorway with the waistband. Still with tags. The original price is covered up. It looks like it was originally $45, marked down to $27. So, I mean, I know like in just a couple pieces, the North Face dress and, I don't know, or the North Face skirt and the Adidas tank top, I'll probably make my money back. So everything else would be profit. This brand I have not heard of. It looks like Suzina. They're like women's kind of cropped linen pants, I believe. Not a crazy price. It looks like $28, but they're linen. And linen usually seems to do pretty well. So that is it for this first box. I'm gonna check to see if that seller has any more. I would definitely be interested to see what they have in the men's clothing, because I have to look up probably like half of those brands, but for $35 I would buy any of those pieces at a thrift store new with tags for $2. So I am pretty happy. I will do another video after I kind of maybe check out and see like what the profit is, and I'll let you know how my first wholesale experience goes. Anyways, I will probably be coming back, you know, maybe once or twice a week, just doing videos on either what I'm documenting, what I'm trying, and what's working and what's not working. So we'll see. We'll let this thing, I don't know, grow organically. Anyways, peace out. I'll talk to you guys later.